What's up, Grind family? Reggie P here. Do you hit the like button on all the videos you watch? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $3 to like YouTube videos. So stay tuned. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $3 to like YouTube videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now, I'm still doing the free money giveaway. So guys, please click on the link in the description or in the comments below where it says click here to be eligible for the free money giveaway. As soon as you click that, just follow the instructions and you'll be all ready and set to win the free money. Okay guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end because it's going to be something special that's going to pop up on the screen that you need to check out. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. And also, you need to watch this video to the very end to follow these steps I'm going to show you. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the website and the name of this website is Rapid Workers. Now you may have heard this website before or you may not have heard it before. I've talked about it in 2020, but I'm bringing it up again here in 2021 because it's still a good website. And it provides a lot of tasks, simple little tasks that you can do to make some quick money. What it says here at Rapid Workers, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employees are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Most of all, it simply works. So I have a account with this website, so I'm going to log in and show you how it works, show you the tasks you're going to be doing, which is liking YouTube videos, but they got other little tasks you can do too. So let me go ahead and log in right now. Okay, I'm inside my account, and as you can see here at the top they have tasks I finished, my campaigns, my account, deposit, withdraw, and they got tutorials if you need to learn how to do these tasks. Now, as we scroll down here, as you can see, here's all the jobs or tasks that they have available. And you can search for a job name right here. So for the sake of this video, we're going to search under YouTube. And as you can see here, everything pops up about YouTube. So all the jobs you can do pertaining to YouTube. So YouTube right here, it says like and subscribe. You're going to get 4 cents. Now, hold up. I know that's very, very low. It's not that much. But what you can do here is click on most paying. And the most paid task is going to pop up. See, like this one right here is $3. And here's one $2.50. So right now they don't have the like YouTube videos for $3 right now, but you can do these other tasks that'll pay you $3. Only takes 15 minutes, guys. Here's one $2.50, only takes 3 minutes. Here's one right here, you get $2.39, only takes 3 minutes. So they got a lot of different tasks on here. And also they have the like YouTube videos task, which is right now 3 cents, 4 cents. But as you come and check on here on a daily basis, you're going to pop $3 task is going to pop up for liking YouTube videos. So guys, that's it. That's really everything about this website, how it works and everything. So if you want to go ahead and start making $3 doing simple little tasks on this website, go ahead and go to rapidworkers.com. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, if you made it all the way to this point in the video, I need you to do this. Type this number that's going to pop up on the screen right now, because when you type that number, it lets me know that you watch this video all the way to the very end, and that's going to increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 6,000 subscribers. So please type that number that popped up on the screen. All right guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support on all my videos that I drop. And let's get to 6,000 subscribers, because my hand is itching. I'm ready to give out this money to 2 people. So let's get there by the end of January of 2021. Let's get it, guys. Let's get it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.